couldn't drive it anymore. And then
The National Weather Service in Charleston, West Virginia has issued a tornado warning for East Central Washington County in southeastern Ohio, Pleasants County in northwestern West Virginia, northeastern Ritchie County in northwestern West Virginia, southwestern Tyler County in northern West Virginia, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over St. Mary's, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Pennsboro around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Arvilla, Newport, Alma, Point Lookout, Wick, Mountain, Hebron, Maxwell, Highland, and Ellenboro.
Oh, this is definitely in the top 5 of mangled that I've seen.